Welcome ladies and gents to the first video of Right Mzansi. Watching it arrive like this, you immediately know it isn't a normal GTR. Let's not lie, this car runs a built VR38 twin-turbo engine made for real racing. The front and rear wings were designed to give massive grips, around 550 kilograms of downforce per wheel at high speed. The body is full carbon fiber on a lightweight racing frame. Everything here is made for pure performance. Thanks for watching Right Mzansi. This is my first video and I'm getting better with every one I make. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. More real South African car content is on its way.